What is manufacturing? Manufacturing is the process or business of producing goods in large numbers in factories. Manufacturing commonly employs a human-machine setup with division of labor. Each worker has a specific task. Manufacturing is the process of converting parts, components, and raw materials into finished products. The finished goods meet consumer specifications or expectations. A company that converts raw materials into finished products is a manufacturer. We can also use the term manufacturer for a person if he or she owns a factory or is one of their executives. The verb to manufacture means to make something using machinery on a large scale. North America's most famous manufacturers are General Electric, Procter & Gamble, Pfizer, Boeing, Magna International, and the General Motors Company. Europe's most famous manufacturers include Siemens, FCA, Michelin, the Volkswagen Group, Unilever, GlaxoSmithKline, and Rio Tinto. In Asia, the largest manufacturers are Toyota, Samsung Electronics, Honhai Precision Industry, Honda, SAIC Motor, and Tata Motors. Thank you for watching this Market Business News video on manufacturing.